Hello friends, welcome to our channel Learnable. Introduction. If you have to eat two frogs, eat the ugliest one first. Start with the biggest, hardest and the most important task first. If you have to eat a live frog at all, it doesn't pay to sit and look at it for very long. Take action immediately. Develop the habits of success. Develop a positive addiction. Visualize yourself as you want to be. The 3 Ds of new habit information. Decision. Develop the habit of task completion. Discipline. Yourself to practice the principles you are about to learn until they become automatic. Determination. Until the habit is locked in and becomes a permanent part of your personality. Number 1. Set the table. Decide exactly what you want. Clarity is essential. Write out your goals and objectives before you begin. Major reason for procrastination and lack of motivation is vagueness, confusion and fuzzy-mindedness about what you are trying to do and in what order and for what reason. Think on paper. Powerful formula for setting and achieving goals. Decide exactly what you want. Write it down. Set a deadline on your goal. Set subdeadliness if necessary. A list of everything you can think of that you are going to have to do to achieve your goal. Organize the list into a plan. Take action on your plan immediately. Resolve to do something every single day that moves you towards your major goal. Number 2. Plan every day in advance. Think on paper. Every minute you spend in planning can save you 5 or 10 minutes in execution. Increase your return on energy. Prior planning prevents poor performance. 2 extra hours per day. When you make your list the night before, your subconscious mind will work on your list all night long. Different lists for different purposes. Master list, monthly list, weekly list and daily list. 10 by 90 rule. First, 10% of time that you spend planning and organizing your work before you begin will save you as much as 90% of the time in getting job done. Number 3. Apply the 80 by 20 rule in everything. 20% of your activities will account for 80% of your results. Always concentrate your efforts on that top 20%. Number of tasks versus importance of tasks. Focus on activities, not accomplishments. Resist the temptation to clear up small things first. Consider the consequences. Your most important tasks and priorities are those that can have the most serious consequences, positive or negative, on your life or work. Focus on these above all else. Long-term thinking improves short-term decision making. Make better decisions about time. Future intent influences and often determines present actions. Think about the long term. Obey the law of forced efficiency. There is never enough time to do everything, but there is always enough time to do the most important thing. 3 questions for maximum productivity. What are my highest value activities? What can I and only I do that if done well will make a real difference? What is the most valuable use of my time right now? Number 5. Practice creative procrastination. Since you can't do everything, you must learn to deliberately put off those tasks that are of low value so that you have enough time to do the few things that really count. Priorities versus posteriorities. Priority is something that you do more of and sooner, while posteriority is something that you do less of and later, if at all. You can get your time and your life under control only to the degree to which you discontinue lower value activities. Procrastinate on purpose. Your job is to Deliberately procrastinate on tasks that are of low value so that you have more time for tasks that can make a big difference in your life and work. Number 6. Use the ABCDE method continually. Before you begin work on a list of tasks, take a few moments to organize them by value and priority so you can be sure of working on your most important activities. A. One task is your biggest, ugliest frog of all. B item is defined as a task that you should do. A is task which is must do. C task is something nice to do. Phoning friend, coffee with co-worker. D task is defined as something you can delegate to someone else. E task is something that you can eliminate. Number 7. Focus on key result areas. Identify those results that you absolutely, positively have to get to do your job well and work on them all day long. Key result areas of management are prospecting, building rapport and trust, identifying needs, presenting persuasively, answering objections, closing the sale, and getting resales and referrals. Give yourself a grade. Your weakest key result area sets the height at which you can use all your other skills and abilities. Poor performance produces procrastination. The great question, what one skill, if I developed and did it in an excellent fashion, would have the great positive impact on my career? Number 8. Apply the law of 3. Identify the 3 things you do in your work that account for 90% of your contribution and focus on getting them done before anything else. You will then have more time for your family and personal life. One thing all day long. Take immediate action. Plan well. Coaching program exercise questions. A. Business or career goals. B. Family or relationship goals. C. Financial goals. D. Health goals. E. Personal and professional development goals. F. Social and community goals. G. 3 biggest problems in life right now. Time management is a means to an end. 85% of your happiness in life will come from happy relationships with other people, those closest to you, as well as the members of your family. Work all the time you work. 9. Prepare thoroughly before you begin. Have everything you need at hand before you start. Assemble all the papers, information, tools, work materials, and numbers you might require so that you can get started and keep going. Create a comfortable workspace. Launch towards your dreams. You miss 100% of the shots you don't take. Number 10. Take it one oil barrel at a time. You can accomplish the biggest and most complicated job if you just complete it one step at a time. One of the best ways to eat a large frog is for you to take it one bite at a time. Number 11. Upgrade your key skills. The more knowledgeable and skilled you become at your key tasks, the faster you start them and the sooner you get them done. Determine exactly what it is that you are very good at doing or could be very good at and throw your whole heart into doing those specific things very, very well. Number 12. Identify your key constraints. Determine the bottlenecks or choke points, internal or external, that set the speed at which you achieve your most important goals and focus on alleviating them. Number 13. Put the pressure on yourself. Imagine that you have to leave town for a month and work as if you had to get your major task completed before you left. Create imaginary deadlines. Number 14. Motivate yourself into action. Be your own cheerleader. Look for the good in every situation. Focus on the solution rather than the problem. Always be optimistic and constructive. Control your inner dialogue. Develop a positive mental attitude. 4 special behaviors. A. Optimists look for the good in every situation. B. Optimists always seek the valuable lesson in every setback or difficulty. C. Optimists always look for the solution to every problem. D. Optimists think and talk continually about their goals. Number 15. Technology is a terrible master. Take back your time from enslaving technological addictions. Learn to often turn devices off and leave them off. Number 16. Technology is a wonderful servant. Use your technological tools to confront yourself with what is most important and protect yourself from what is least important. Number 17. Focus your attention. Focus your attention. Stop the interruptions and distractions that interfere with completing your most important tasks. Number 18. Focus your attention. Slice and dice the task. Break large, complex tasks down into bite-sized pieces and then do just one small part of the task to get started. Number 19. Create large chunks of time. Number 19. Create large chunks of time. Organize your days around large blocks of time so you can concentrate for extended periods on your most important task. Number 20. Develop a sense of urgency. Make a habit of moving fast on your key tasks. Become known as a person who does things quickly and well. Number 21. Single-handle every task. Set clear priorities. Start immediately on your most important task and then work without stopping until the job is 100% complete. This is the real key to high performance and maximum personal productivity. Thanks for watching this video, friends.